Welcome to New Student Orientation for OU's Undergraduate Elementary Education Program. Most of your questions will likely be answered during the presentation. For this reason, we ask that you please hold all of your questions until the end. The Teacher Education Advising Office has 3 full-time academic advisors. Nicole Moninger is the Director of Teacher Education Advising Services. If you are in the Macomb County area, you will be excited to learn that you can complete your education courses at the MISD through OU's Elementary Education Cohort Program. Please schedule a meeting with our Macomb advisor for details.
You're required to meet with one of us during your first semester here at OU, so plan on coming to see us soon. To schedule an individual advising appointment, you should call or stop by our office. However, we are happy to answer quick questions from you via email. Our phone number and email addresses are on the front page of your orientation booklet.
Once you have completed all the degree requirements for our program, you will earn a Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education and a Michigan Teaching Certificate. You will be able to teach all subjects in kindergarten through 5th grade and in your endorsement areas in middle school. We will review your endorsement area choices later.
The elementary education program consists of general education, major/minor endorsement areas, and professional education coursework. To earn your teaching certificate, you will also be required to pass several Michigan tests for teacher certification. Like most teacher certification programs in the state of Michigan, this degree generally takes 5 years of full-time coursework to complete.
Please turn to page 2 of your orientation booklet. Math and writing are both very important components of our program. You are placed into your first math and writing course based on your ACT or placement scores. As you can see, there is a specific course sequence that you must follow. We highly recommend that you enroll in math and writing courses each semester until you have completed both sequences. Using the math and writing proficiency tables on page 2, find which math and writing courses you'll take this fall by using your ACT subscores and the information on that page. If you took the AP Statistics and/or English Language and Composition exams, please take a look at the notation at the bottom of the math and writing sections on this page to determine your placement.
Now go back to page 2 of your orientation booklet. You are required to complete at least one course in each of the categories that you see on this slide. Each course must be completed with a GPA of a 2.0 C or above. Please note that Writing 160, commonly titled Composition 2, requires a 3.0 B minimum grade. As you can see, there are specific general education courses in each category that are recommended for elementary education program students. Before choosing general education courses not in your orientation booklet, you should consult with your advisor.
Now turn to pages 3 and 4 of your booklet. OU's elementary education program requires you to complete a minimum of 1 major or 2 minor endorsements. The endorsement will be listed on your teaching certificate, allowing you to teach that subject in middle school grades 6 through 8. As you can see, we have 6 areas from which to choose. Social studies is only available as a major and dance only as a minor. All of the other subjects are offered as a major or minor. For those of you who are interested in modern language, you will choose from French, German, Japanese, and Spanish. In addition to your chosen major or minor, you may choose to earn an additional endorsement in early childhood or English as a second language.
Let's look at language arts for a quick example. As you can see, the first 6 courses are required whether you're doing a minor or a major. If you're just doing a minor, you'll stop after completing those 6 courses. If you're doing a major, you'll need to complete the 3 additional courses required for majors only: a writing component, oral language component, and additional elective. You may be wondering why some courses are in bold type while others are not. The bolded courses count in general education and the endorsement area.
Our program has specific GPA requirements. As such, some courses require different grades. It is your responsibility to know what grade you need to earn in every course that you complete. If you have any questions, please ask us. We are here to help you.
All students will begin the program in the pre-elementary status. Until you've met all of the requirements for major standing, you may not begin your professional education coursework. Completion of the program requires 1 semester of student teaching. All degree requirements must be completed before the semester in which you plan a student teach. The next few slides discuss the program process in detail.
While you are in pre-elementary status, you will be working on math and writing, general education, endorsement requirements, and introductory education courses. Please know that you are not required to complete each of these categories of coursework before completing major standing. Please refer to page 2 of your orientation booklet for a sample schedule of your first year.
You will move to major standing once you've met the following requirements. You will learn more about major standing during your mandatory first advising appointment.
If you are interested in taking most or all of your first semester courses with the same students, join the Elementary Education Connection. In this program, you will take Theater 100, Writing 150, and Com 101 with other elementary education students. Even if you will be taking a different math or writing course, you can still participate in the connection. Just ask one of us for details. If you would like to build your own schedule, but want to have a fun way to meet with fellow OU students from various majors, add Com 101 to your chosen schedule.
Now go to page number 2. This page outlines a sample student schedule for the first year of your elementary education program. Now, let's complete your fall schedule. You've chosen your math and writing class, so now it's time to add 1 or 2 more classes. These classes should come from your endorsement areas of interest and general education. Generally, students choose to take 16 to 17 credits their first semester and then 16 credits from then on. To be a full-time student, you are required to take a minimum of 12 credits.
For those of you who currently have a felony misdemeanor conviction, please note that this may affect your teaching certification. Discuss this with an advisor. At any time during the program, if you receive a felony misdemeanor, you are required to notify the advising office immediately.
All elementary education freshmen must meet with an advisor in their first year. A hold is placed on your future registration until you complete this appointment. During this appointment, you will receive your comprehensive student booklet describing your program in detail. We will discuss your second year schedule and check your progress. At the end of this appointment, we will remove your registration hold.